Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add theme on text using AI tool in Photoshop Beta. And also, we will dive deeper into using type tool, exporting a file, using generate image, and using reference image. So let's get started. So first step we're going to do is we're going to export the text file. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is to add text. So I'm going to press T for the type tool. Then I have this white background. For the options, I'm going to make use of a solid black color. Then I'll set this one to font like this. And then let's type it down here, our channel name. So let's say doodle. Then let's type down the word royalty down below. Okay, now let's just rescale this one. So click on the text layer. On the layers panel, press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command, and let's turn the size of this text to this. Then hit enter. All right, now we're going to export this one. So let's go to the menu bar, go to File, go to Export, and select Export As. So this window will appear. Just select Import, and let's type down the name of this as text. Okay. Now hit save. Now we already import this file. Okay, now next step here is we're going to add another file. So let's go to the menu bar, go to file, and select new. Yeah, I'm still going to use the same ratio of our Canva. So I'm just going to click this one and hit create. Okay, so from this clear canvas, I'm going to generate an image here. But before we do that, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Let's just fit this one to the screen. Okay, and then to generate image here from the toolbar, let's go down here. All right, make sure that you're using a Photoshop Beta and click on this icon. Yes, the last one. And once I click that, you're going to choose on generate image. Okay, so this window will appear. Now I'm going to type down the prompt that I want for the theme of the text. I will type down here plank of wood with moss and pebbles. All right, so plank of wood with moss and pebbles. Okay, now let's go down here and click generate. All right, so this is the one that is provided. Yeah, the plank of wood with moss and pebble. All right, on the layers panel, click on this generative layer. All right, the one that we just generated a while ago. Then let's go to the properties panel. Then click on this icon. This is what we call the reference image icon. Click on that. Then for the composition reference, we're going to paste here the file of the text that we just export a while ago. So let's go here, choose image, choose from computer. Then this is the one. Doodle royalty. Hit open. Okay, so the composition reference is already here. Then after that, we can already start generating this image. So just hit generate instantly. And there you go. Photoshop Beta provided us this carved text of Doodle Royalty with some moss and pebble. Well, you can go and check on the other variation if you're not satisfied with that. So here's the second variation. This one is also good. And this one is much better. All right, so I prefer the last one. Okay, but if you still want more variations, you can just keep on generating more image. All right, so yeah, let's click generate again. All right, so here are the latest variations. Okay, so we have this. Yeah, but looking at this image, the letter Y was changed to X. Okay, but yeah, but we can fix that. Okay, and here's the next one, and here's the other one. All right. So if you want to add more design to your theme, well, you can just go and type down here. So let's say plank of wood with moss and pebbles, red ants walking with moisture, with moist. Okay, yeah, there you go. So let's hit generate this time. And there you go. It provided us this image. All right. No, this is not a red ant. Oh, because I forgot the word and on this part. So I'll just type it here. Okay. Basically, we just had a mistake over there. All right. So this one is good. Check on the other variations. This one. and this one. All right, so it's up to you which one is the best. Okay, and we already have a lot of variations provided here. It's up to you which one works for you. And that's how it goes. And that is how to add theme on text using AI tool in Photoshop Beta.